If someone told you a few years ago that a Blackpink member would step into one of Netflix's biggest action universes, guns blazing, fists flying, chaos everywhere, you might have smiled and said, yeah, maybe someday. Well, Blinks, that someday is officially here.
Netflix has just confirmed a brand new action film called Tago, a spin-off from the globally successful Extra Action franchises. And that the center of all the action is none other than Lalisha Manoba, Lisa of Blackpink, making her first ever major movie role. Now pause for a second and let this sink in. This is not a light cameo, this is not a side role, this is not a blink and you miss it appearance. Okay, so this is Lisa stepping straight into the Extra Action universe, a franchise is known for raw action, brutal fight choreography and intense storytelling that keep audience on the edge of their seats. Tago is set in South Korea and it brings together some of the biggest names in Korean cinema. Leading the film is Don Lee, the action powerhouses we have seen dominate screens in Train to Busan, the Round of Francis, and even Marvel's Eternals. Alongside him is Lee Jin-wook, an actor known globally through Squid Game and Sweet Home. And now, standing among these heavyweights is Lisa, confident, fearless, and ready to redefine herself. The story of Tago is dark, intense, and emotional. Follows a man named Tago, a farmer child who grew up to become a mercenary after a mission goes wrong. He is pulled into a brutal revenge journey through Korea's criminal underworld. This is not a glossy action movie. This is gritty. This is personal. This is the kind of story where every punch hurts and every decision has consequence, and this is the world Lisa is entering. For fans who followed her journey from her training to a global K-pop icon, from a stage performance that dominated stadium to fashion runway that stopped the internet. This moment felt monumental because acting, especially action acting, is a completely different battlefield. Lisa herself has said that being in an action film has always been a dream, and think about how poetic that is. Her acting journey began with The White Lotus Season 3, where audience saw a new side of her, quiet, controlled, mysterious, and now, for her first film role, she jumps straight into a high-stakes Netflix action thriller produced by the Russo brothers company SGBO. That is how a slow transition, that is a leap. The Russo brothers, the mind behind Avengers, Infinity War, Endgame, and the Extra Action film, are backing the project fully. In fact, Tago marks yet another collaboration between Netflix and SGBO, continuing a partnership that started in 2020 with the first Extra Action film starring Chris Hemsworth. That film broke record. The sequel did even bigger number, and now this universe is expanding, not just geographically but culturally. Tago is bringing a distinct Korean identity into the Extra Action world. Korean action cinema is known for the realism, intensity, and emotional weight. Director Lee Sung-young, who previously directed the Round of film, is at the helm. His style is fast, physical, and unapologetically raw, which means this film was not just rely on explosion, it will rely on impact. Don Lee himself has said that this project has been years in the making, and the Tago is designed to unleash something explosive for global audience. Lee Jin-wook has to express how honored he feels to join the Extra Action universe, especially alongside actors she deeply admires. And Lisa, she called the project special, a dream come true, and you can hear it in her work. This is not just another checkbox in her career, this is passion meeting opportunity. For Blinks, this moment hit differently because we are not just watching Lisa act, we are watching her expand her identity, idol, perform, fashion icon, and now global action actress. Netflix knows exactly what it is doing. The Extra Action franchises already commands massive attention, adding Korean cinema's credibility. Plus, Lisa's worldwide fan base is not just smart, it is powerful. So when Tago finally drops, it would not just be another action movie. It will be a moment, a culture crossover, a statement that Lisa is not teasing the waters. She diving straight into the deep end. From the stage light of Blackpink concert to the dark, dangerous alleys of Korea's underworld, Lisa's journey just looked a bold new turn. And whether you here as a Blink, an action fan, or someone who loves seeing artists break boundaries, one thing is clear: the extra action universe just chant forever. So hey guys, if you like to see Lisa new movie, so comment #Lisa and #Tago. See you in the next video. Bye bye.
지금 우리가 막지 않으면 누구도 할 수 없어.
그를 데려와라. 아니면 뼈라도 가져와. 또 다른 전쟁은 원하지 않았다. 하지만 선택의 여지를 주지 않았지.
이젠 두렵지 않아.
시작은 그들이 했지만 끝은 우리가 정한다. 그러그지다. 그리고 이제부터가 내가 준비한 시작이다.